The Arrow game is a fast paced, dynamic game measuring your mental agility and learning ability. Here's how it works: you have 3 minutes to make decisions on 135 arrow sequences, presented one after the other. Each sequence has 5 arrows pointing either left or right. Sometimes all 5 arrows will point the same direction, and other times the middle arrow will face the opposite direction. Additionally, each arrow sequence will be in blue, black, or red. If it's in blue or black, press the arrow key that faces the same direction as the middle arrow in the sequence. If the arrows are red, press the arrow key that faces the same direction as the other 4 arrows, the side arrows. This is the task switching aspect of the game, used to measure your cognitive flexibility. The ability to adjust to new instructions quickly and efficiently is central to problem solving and adaptability. If your score is high, it indicates strong cognitive flexibility and task switching abilities, which are vital in adaptability, problem solving, and multitasking. Connecting this to jobs, your skill in strategic planning and critical thinking make you perfect for roles in project management, software development, or roles where you are constantly changing situations and responsibilities, like entrepreneurship. Having a low score isn't necessarily bad. You prefer stability and well defined tasks. Roles with specific, repetitive tasks, such as data entry, technical, or expert dependent tasks, are ideal for you. Perceptual learning is also measured. How quickly you recognize the direction the arrows are facing assesses your ability to identify, categorize, and interpret patterns. All great for roles in data analysis, design, and quality assurance. Your ability to rapidly and accurately interpret visual information and patterns allows you to excel across many industries. Alternatively, having a low score tells you what to avoid. Find roles where quick pattern recognition isn't necessary. Many positions rely on verbal communication, such as script writing, strategic thinking, which are vital in customer service, content writing, and management roles. The game also measures your speed and accuracy by how quickly you respond correctly to the presented stimuli. Your speed helps determine how well you process information and make decisions, and your accuracy evaluates your ability to avoid mistakes in a fast paced environment. A high score correlates with roles in operations management, emergency services, and financial trading, where fast, high stakes decision making are constant. A lower score suggests you prefer perfection over productivity. A slow, thought out plan is needed over a fast one. Roles in content creation, strategic planning, and research roles all prefer this strategy. A few tips to help you improve your performance. Focus on the important. Observing 5 arrows is time consuming and a waste of energy. Focus on the middle arrow and one of the side ones. This provides all the relevant information and reduces distractions. Also, use the same hand. Our brains receive and give signals differently for each hand, so using one hand reduces the chances of mixed signals. And also stay calm. This fast paced game is stressful, but being stressed will only decrease your score as you waste energy on it. Take some deep breaths before you start, and remember, it is just a game. And finally, practice. Practice the game, different strategies, and shifting between tasks quickly. The more you practice, the more comfortable you will be, increasing your confidence and getting you one step closer to your desired job.